The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredible diversity of wildlife, from jaguars and poison dart frogs to giant anteaters and pink river dolphins. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most amazing animals that call the Amazon home. Harpy eagles. These eagles are found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. They are the largest eagles in the Americas, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. Harpy eagles are apex predators, and their diet consists of monkeys, sloths, and birds. They are known for their powerful talons and beaks, which they use to kill their prey. Capybaras. These rodents are found in South America, and they are the largest rodents in the world. Capybaras can grow up to 8 feet long and weigh up to 150 pounds. They are herbivores, and their diet consists of grasses, fruits, and vegetables. Capybaras are social animals, and they live in groups of up to 100 individuals. Toucans. These birds are found in Central and South America, and they are known for their large, colorful beaks. Toucans are frugivores, and their diet consists of fruits, nectar, and insects. They are also known for their loud calls, which they use to communicate with each other. Sloths. These mammals are found in Central and South America, and they are known for their slow movements. Sloths spend most of their time hanging upside down from trees. They are herbivores, and their diet consists of leaves, shoots, and flowers. Sloths are also known for their long claws, which they use to grip onto branches. Piranhas. These fish are found in South America, and they are known for their sharp teeth and aggressive behavior. However, most piranhas are not actually as dangerous as they are made out to be. Piranhas are scavengers, and they will only attack if they are provoked or if they are hungry. Electric eels. These fish are found in freshwater habitats in South America. They can generate an electric shock that can stun or even kill their prey. Electric eels are not actually eels, but rather a type of ray. Howler monkeys. These monkeys are found in Central and South America, and they are known for their loud calls. Howler monkeys are herbivores, and their diet consists of fruit, leaves, and flowers. They are also known for their long tails, which they use to balance themselves. Anacondas. These snakes are found in South America, and they are the largest snakes in the world. Anacondas can grow up to 30 feet long, and they are carnivores. Their diet consists of mammals, birds, and reptiles. Anacondas are ambush predators, and they will coil around their prey and suffocate them. Tamarins. These monkeys are found in South America, and they are known for their brightly colored fur. Tamarins are arboreal, which means they live in trees. Their diet consists of insects, fruit, and nectar. Tamarins are also known for their social behavior, and they live in groups of up to 15 individuals. These are just a few of the many amazing animals that live in the Amazon rainforest. This incredible ecosystem is home to a vast diversity of life, and it is essential to the health of our planet. We must do everything we can to protect it.